Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. I will try my best to capture some live trades on video. I will keep you posted. Going for some shares here at 34.80 on GCI. Buying this pullback here to try to at least maybe start to build a position here. Actually, I want this to go down to 70. Seeing something on another time frame. So let's see if I can get some shares there at 70. Whoops. Maybe, how low did it go? 76. So apparently should have kept it at 80. I would have had a nice little quick move there. Oh well, on to the next one. Okay, now going for some shares at 45. See if I can get those. Okay, we'll try to get 60 from them. That was I bought there based off of the gap fill. So we'll see if I can get any sort of bounce or if I'm going to be able to build a bigger position. It's looking like I'll be able to build a bigger position. Try to pick some up at 90, 30, and I missed that bounce. So let's see. A little too slow down there. I should have gotten some more down there, but it is what it is at this point. So let's see what kind of bounce we get here. Probably being a little too aggressive. I'll just go for a 10-cent move now. So now looking to get out at 34.55 instead of 34.60. So if this can push back up above, get over the 50 mark, that should be just what I need for it to pop up at least another 5 cents. So it's up over there now. Let's see, 53s, 52s. Well, it may pull back down and let me build a bigger position. I'm liking the volatility on this one though, so let's see what happens here with it. I will keep you posted. Let you know if it looks like I'm either going to be able to get more shares or if it looks like I'm going to be able to sell out for, well, here we go again, trying to get back up into the 50s. All right, I don't want this to go too long. It's not like I'm going for a huge score or anything. Okay, looking for some... I got those at 33.90. Now my average is 34.18. I'm going to try for some more at 70. Start to scale out here. Just kind of peppering some orders out there. Again, my average right now is 34.18, so if I can get back up above 20, that would be perfect. So let's see if it can get up there or not. Do now have 1,000 shares, so they're up above 20. I'm not sure. I have my first sell order at 25. So there we got all those out. Now I'm just slowly scaling out. So there we go. And all out, so $111 on that trade. Nothing huge, but you know, I would have liked to gotten a little bit bigger of a position for this bounce here, but I'll take 111 to start the day off. Let's see if I can find some more. Okay, looking to short some shares at 34.75. See if I can get those. Went up as high as 74, so 1 penny off. Now you can see the pullback, which is what I was looking for. Maybe I'll give it another try, but that was just coming up a little short on some of these entry points. All right, I'll keep you posted. Going to short. Oh, I'm already in. Shorted some EMR at 63.55. We'll look to cover at. Oh, and I'm out that fast. Reason I shorted there was we had these moving averages right up there. Sure enough, came up, got filled, and now you're seeing a pullback. However, I would like to still try to keep playing this one. So if it wants to go back up there, I'd start to go again at 63.75. However, this pullback's looking like it's going a little bit more deeper than I would like to have seen it gone. Well, in hindsight, I obviously should have held for more than the 10 cents, but, 10 cents in that span of time, that'll work. Here we go, trying to get it to bounce back. Actually, I'm just going to put this at 64 and go on a hunt for some other stocks. So no promises that you'll see this one get filled. But, if I can get some shares at 64, I'd like that as at least a starting point to start to build a bigger position. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, has it looking like we have a chance here to get in at these 64s. Let's see if I can get up there, or let's see if the price can get up there. How high did it end up going? Went up as high as 96. So within 4 cents there. What are these highs? All right, well, at this point, just figuring out where these highs are. So I'll go 64.15 now. That was the move I was looking for. So now let's see if we can get up there at this retest. Well, pushing back up there, but now I just feel like 64.15 is a more advantageous spot to try to build a position, but it's struggling. All right, I'm going to pause it. I'll keep you posted. All right, I'm going to try to take advantage of stop losses here. If 19 fails, then I expect a flood of stop losses to force the price down very quickly. Will it go down 15 cents to 18.85? Maybe I'm being a little too optimistic there, but if it does, I think that would produce a nice little entry point. So we'll see if 19 even fails, but if it does, I want to see, like yesterday's video, try to take advantage of stop losses that go off. So I'll try to catch the 19 break. All right, here we go, getting closer again. Okay, here we go. Let's see if 19 can fail. Then watch the stop losses take over. As you can see, 19 getting hammered. And okay, so there's the stop losses down 10 cents very quickly. So let's see if we can get any sort of continued flood downwards from those stop losses. There's the 90s that have failed now. All right, I have 400 of my 500. Okay, so now I'll go for 18.95, or if I can build a bigger position, even better. But the chart is getting quite overextended here, especially if we look on the other time frames. So let's see what happens here with it. I know the video is starting to get long already, so I will keep you posted. I'm actually looking to just take a little loss. Well, that's how it goes sometimes. Did not like this pattern. We have a bear pennant. This one's not volatile enough, and although it did shoot up and would have gotten me out at least a break even, I decided, you know what, I want to get out. If I can take a $25 loss on it, then I am perfectly happy with that. So like I said, don't like this pattern here. This is definitely a bearish pattern. It's looking like this is getting ready to head to the downside. But on top of that, I just don't like the there's a lawnmower outside. I don't like the volatility. It's not moving fast enough for me, so I just need to find something else. So figure, you know what, take a $25 loss, nothing that can't be overcome. So let's see what happens. Okay, I got some shares at 39.30 on WFM. This one's really moving. So I'll try to get 10 cents on those, or better yet, try to build a bigger position. So I'll try to get some more up there around 39.65 if it can get up there. But as you can see, chart very, very overextended. If I were to show you the 5 minute, you'd see that that one is extremely overextended too. Let's see if I can get those 65s. Perfect. Now my average is 39.47. Try some more up there at 85. Like I said, my average is 47. So get some orders down there just in case there's any sort of bigger move to the downside. So let's see what happens here with it. So I think I got my 140 there. So if this can break back down through 40, then that's going to be fantastic. There we go. So now I am scaling out. And there I'm all out. So right there, $115. So that $25 loss, no big deal. Overcome and then some. And just out of curiosity, let's go check on that chart real quick. Well, as you can see, it actually came up and went as high as 95. So I would have gotten my my move. However, let's think about the time value of money. You know, I would have made 50 bucks. However, I would have been sitting over here in this trade trying to watch this, and I could have potentially missed out on WFM, which yielded me $115. So it actually made way more sense to lose $70 or $25 instead of make 50 because that allowed me. Oh, got to go back over there. Just got another. All right, I'll be back here. All right, well, once again, if you watch my videos, I'm on a bad streak of forgetting to cancel orders. So I forgot to cancel one, and then I entered me back in, which was fine because it was still a good spot, and I was able to build up another size position and then get out. So now I'm up at 207 on the day, and judging myself in hindsight right now, I could have had a much better score. I had my average up at $40, 1,000 shares, so that could have been real well. But given that I hadn't even really originally planned on getting in there, you know, I'll take it. But anyways, back to my point, you know, it's from a time value viewpoint, it's always better to, sorry about the lawnmower in the background, you know, it's always better to, you know, just cut losses because you might be missing out on another opportunity. You know, that's just an economic principle of opportunity cost, so you always got to be careful about that too. So I'm going to wrap things up as I might be getting another entry point up here. But regardless, if you want to learn how to trade like this, meaning with charts and level 2s, you can go to claytrader.com, check out the training section of the store. I also have a trading group where you can hang out with me, talk about stocks live, breakouts, bounces, all that good stuff. Everything's very fairly priced. So I'd encourage you to check that stuff out and, you know, at least read some testimonials so you can get a good third-party perspective on it. And finally, if you're watching this on YouTube, please click the like button. You know, that really goes a long way. It lets me know that you're enjoying these, and I'll keep making them if you show me that you're enjoying them. If you're watching this on my site, please leave a comment below. Again, you know, that really helps me out, lets me know that you're you know, enjoying these, and you know, because I'm not going to waste my time doing them if nobody enjoys them. So show me that you enjoy them. Those are a couple of easy ways to do that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something.